In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google in English. This is especially helpful if you've noticed your browser or certain pages switching to different languages unexpectedly and you prefer everything to remain in English. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring clarity and ease of implementation so you can have a consistent browsing experience. First, let's start by opening up your Google browser. This is your gateway to the settings we need to adjust. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your More button. Go ahead and click on those to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to various browser options and settings. Next, from this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you into the main settings page for your browser. This is where you can control many aspects of your browsing experience, from privacy settings to how your browser operates. Now, once you're in the settings menu, look at the left hand side of the page. You'll see a list of different options. We're looking for the one that says languages. Click on it and it will bring you to the language settings. This is the section where you'll set your browser's language preferences. In the languages section, you'll see an area labeled preferred languages. This is crucial because it dictates the languages your browser will prioritize and display, especially if you visit websites with multilingual support. To keep everything in English, you'll want to ensure that English is at the very top of this list. This prioritization helps tell your browser to display content in English whenever available. Check to see if English is already listed as the top language. If it is, you're all set, and you can skip the next couple of steps. If not, don't worry. You can easily adjust this by clicking on Add Languages. This option allows you to pick from a list of languages to add and prioritize. After clicking Add Languages, a menu will appear where you can search and select English. Once selected, add it to your list of preferred languages. Now, if English wasn't already at the top of your list, you can simply drag it to the top position. And there you have it. By following these steps, your browsing experience should remain consistently in English. It's a quick fix that can save you the hassle of dealing with unwanted language changes in the future. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.